Introducing the maxi-T pipeburster. The maxi-T pipeburster is a 60 metric ton pulling unit, specially designed to work from within a 1 meter vertical shaft. Pipe diameters range from as little as 75 millimeters up to 400 millimeters. The machine is powered by a Vanguard petrol power pack. We have, as an example, set up a 315 bursting head, again compact design because we're working from within a 1 meter shaft. Threaded polypropylene modules. To complete the job, we remove the pulling unit from the shaft and replace the pulling unit with a hydrostatic extractor frame. This frame, upon completion, will pull the bursting head into the open perimeter of the shaft.